LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Turn the laptop over. Remove the cover. Remove the screw. Remove the card. We will now install your new Wi-Fi card. Plug the cable back in. Snap the plastic cover back in place. Place the screws back in. That's all. You just installed your Wi-Fi card. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.